So today's golden rule, and this is like a rule that I would say you should write down somewhere, and this is really, really important. And the rule is never ever revenge trade. And it's so simple. It's so simple, but it actually is so hard to follow. And what I mean by revenge trading is you buy a share or you buy a stock at a set price. It falls down 20%. Maybe in a day, maybe in a week, or you didn't have a stop loss and it just like fell down 30%. And that 30% loss hurts you so bad that you can't really stomach it. Like your stomach's like, all upset. You're not able to sleep at night. You're not able to talk to your family. You're struggling. And I've been there. I've done that, and it's really tough. It's really tough. And my advice to you is at that lowest moment, at that rock bottom state that you are in, don't revenge trade. Don't revenge trade, because you might 2 times out of 3 or 4 times out of 5 probably kind of like break even or come close to break even. And even though that's like a good short-term relief, it sets some bad habits in you. And what it would do for you is the next time you start getting into a loss, you would be kind of telling yourself that I actually got away from it last time by revenge trading. I want to do it again because I think I can make my money back again. And that takes you down a wormhole where it keeps repeating itself. You still keep getting bigger and bigger losses every time you trade, and it'll just like take you down a path that you never can get out of. So my advice to you is don't revenge trade. Come out of with a set of rules that you could apply to your future trading plan, and not just like go ahead and try to resurrect yourself from the grave, because it may work once, but trust me, it doesn't work always, and you will never come out profitable if you do that approach. So I hope this was helpful. A really tough lesson, but I'm sure it'll help some of you out there as it helped me. So yeah, thank you, and see you in another video very soon.